Welcome to today's financial news update from quantbyte.io. Citius Oncology, the oncology-focused subsidiary of Citius Pharmaceuticals, has partnered with McKesson Corp to distribute its product, Recothrum, through McKesson's distribution network. MongoDB Inc., MDB, is favored by a valuation model based on the strategy of Partha Mohan Ram, which identifies low book-to-market stocks with strong growth potential. Charles Schwab Corp's financial performance has been evaluated by Validia's Twin Momentum Investor Model. According to this analysis, Charles Schwab ranks as one of the top stocks among 22 guru strategies, followed by Validia. Mercado Libre Incorporated, MELI, scores high in Validia's Guru Fundamental Report, specifically through the PB Growth Investor Model developed by Partha Mohan Ram. The company is identified as a low book-to-market stock with growth potential. Starbucks Corp. SBUX has been identified as a top pick by the Multi-Factor Investor Model, based on the strategy of Pim van Vliet. The model prioritizes low-volatility stocks. Chipotle Mexican Grill Incorporated, CMG, has been identified as a top pick by Peter Lynch's PE/Growth Investor Model, ranking highest among 22 guru strategies tracked. The model highlights CMG's attractive valuation based on its price-to-growth ratio. Morgan Stanley, MS, has been identified as a top pick by the Multi-Factor Investor Model based on the strategy of Pim van Vliet. The model highlights MS for its low volatility and strong stock fundamentals, positioning it as a potential investment opportunity. ARM Holdings plc has been identified as a top pick by our PB Growth Investor Model, developed by Partha Mohan Ram. The model focuses on finding low book-to-market stocks with growth potential, and ARM's metrics align with these criteria. Gilead Sciences Inc., Guild, has been identified as a top performer by Validia's Twin Momentum Investor Model, developed by Dashan Huang. The model focuses on combining fundamental metrics to identify stocks with strong momentum. Guild scores highest among 22 guru strategies monitored by Validia. Tempus AI Inc., TEM, shows strong momentum performance according to the Twin Momentum Investor Model by Dashan Huang. The company's stock ranks high among 22 guru strategies monitored, indicating a notable uptrend in its fundamental momentum. NextEra Energy Inc., NEE, has been identified as a top pick by Validia's Growth Investor Model, developed by Martin Zweig. The company is highlighted due to its consistent and accelerating earnings growth. Boston Scientific Corp., BSX, ranks highly in Validia's PE/Growth Investor Model, developed by Peter Lynch. The model identifies BSX as a top pick due to its reasonable stock price relative to growth prospects. Analog Devices Inc., ADI, ranks highest among 22 Validia guru strategies, specifically within the Growth Investor Model developed by Martin Zweig. This ranking is due to ADI's stock exhibiting persistent acceleration in earnings. Eaton Corporation plc, ETN, is rated highly by our PE/Growth Investor Model, developed from Peter Lynch's strategy, which seeks companies with reasonable prices relative to growth potential. Lululemon Athletica Incorporated, Lulu, is rated highly by our analysis based on Warren Buffett's investing strategy, which focuses on companies with long-term predictability and stability in their financial performance. Stay informed with quantbyte.io for the latest financial news.